I always wanted to have my own thing. I didn't want to have to answer to anybody. My dad worked for himself. I wanted to work for myself. Pre-RSI, I did my 4 years in the service. When I was 18, and I moved out to Arizona in 2010. The economy wasn't doing much. I was trying to do handyman work, wasn't getting a whole lot of work, and knew as a veteran I got paid to go to school, so figured Arizona AC school. It's a good stepping stone to get in. You'll learn a lot of the basics, and then once you get out in the field, you're gonna learn more. I have been in business for 6 years. I'm a 3-employee company, 4-employee company. I have these 3 guys with me now, all 3 RSI graduates. They have been a godsend to me. So we're 50% residential, 50% commercial. So it's nice having that variety. My business it's almost running itself. I don't have to worry if the mortgage is gonna get paid this month, if my kids are gonna have a place to live, if I'm gonna be able to put food on the table, all that stuff. I'm also responsible for 3 other families. I have 3 employees, and that's another very satisfying feeling, knowing that what I started is providing for them and their families as well. The goals for the business is just stay the course right now, in all honesty. I got everything I want right now, and it's going really well. Without HVAC work, I don't know what I'd be doing, I don't know where I'd be, and I don't think I'd probably have half the success I do now. It feels good. Not many jobs do you get to go into somebody's home and they are just so grateful and so thankful when you're done and it's fixed. That look on their face makes it pretty satisfying.